My name is Andrew Connolly. I work for Woodvale Construction. I am a quantity surveyor in their facilities management division. The RICS was always something I wanted to do and have. The push to go and get it might not always have been there due to being busy constantly. It was one of those things that was always put on the long finger due to workload until LMS approached us to provide a training for the RICS. At the time, we thought it was probably the best route to go. Woodvale Construction asked us would we like to go down this route of training, and at that point they approached Training LMS, who gave us the structured training that we thought we would need to get over the line to get the chartership achieved. The process itself is very daunting at early stages due to the amount of information that is initially provided. At this point, when we were training with John Lever, John provided all the information, structured information and timetables. This meant that we had weekly targets and weekly meetings that kept basically the ball rolling. It meant that any work that we were doing, we were confident that we were using our time wisely, and that any information that we may have had difficulty with, the feedback from John and Ian Lawless was fantastic. At the time of receiving confirmation that we had passed, I have to say I was delighted. A lot of hard work went into it from various parties, and it made it all worthwhile. It was always something that I wanted, but I could never categorically say that I was ever going to get due to commitments and workload. Receiving the chartership has actually given me quite a bit of self-confidence. There's various people that I have worked with, trained with, went to university with that I know have achieved it, and I always thought that it would be something that I would like to have as well, and that they were able to go through the process and get it, and I thought, why not me? Without the structured training, I wouldn't have achieved the chartership. I know that personally, due to the workload that I had on at the time. Without the assistance of Training LMS, John Lever, Ian Lawless, I wouldn't have got through the workload. I would have spent too many wasted hours due to the information that is out there. With the structured training, I knew exactly what I needed to learn. I knew exactly when I needed to know it by, and I knew exactly what the RICS were looking from me. Prior to Training LMS coming on board, I spent 2 years signed up to the pathway for chartership. However, kept getting pushed back due to work commitments. With Training LMS, it gave me the direction that I needed to achieve the chartership.